Hey guys, a couple of weeks ago I was asked to be interviewed by our local PBS station here in Delaware about a new drone pilot training class that is being offered. The first year, everyone's tuition was covered by the state of Delaware with a workforce training grant of about $60,000. It's in the story in the link below if you want to watch the entire story. It's an in-person 10-week class, about 70 hours worth of instruction. It's really geared for people who have no experience flying, know nothing about the rules and regulations of drones, but want to learn and maybe change careers and get into a new industry. So it's a pretty interesting segment. Want to ask you to watch it and then get back to me in the comments as far as what you think. It's not for everyone, obviously. If you have some experience, there's a lot of options you can do online already. Personally, I signed up for Drone U and watched all their videos for a few months, and I also looked at some of Jonathan Rupert's stuff, and I also just went out and bought the Pilot's Handbook, which is pretty much everything you need to know for your Part 107, and also study guides like this are also available, and I'll put some links in the description below so you can look up some of this stuff. But anyway, watch this segment and then let me know what you think. I'm not affiliated with this school. I was kind of asked to give a second opinion about the industry, and I agree it is a very exciting industry. It's not for everyone, and you just want to do what works best for you. So watch the segment. I'm going to put the WHYY link in the description below, and then let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're going to be putting a lot more drone stuff up, as well as some training and other information. So make sure you click that subscribe button, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.